Do you know what that chip on my shoulder is all about? Concrete blankets and how difficult they are. They don't work for concrete fence posts. You wanna know why? It's like am I supposed to wrap it like a hot dog? It doesn't work, not at all. I could cut it into pieces and then I could put X amount of pieces per post, but then I'm out X amount of dollars. Well, that's not gonna work either because then I'm gonna lose money. So let's see, I could put a rock here. I'll put a rock here. Okay. Oh no. This is very difficult. I've got a better idea. Let me try this. That seems like a pretty solid, efficient use of a concrete blanket. Caution. Okay, so concrete and concrete blankets, why you need them and where you need them. If you're in cold temperatures during the winter time, like in Wyoming, like where we are, we're trying to keep our concrete from freezing. This is all gonna get filled and backfilled, but right now, for this video, we are going to go ahead and cover this overnight and expose the concrete like we are, and we're gonna show you a way to do it with concrete blankets. But not this way, because this is not efficient, and as you can see, it does not work. These things are amazing. So these are concrete blankets. Inside each one of these blankets, they have the same R value as that, if not just a little bit more. It has a gray side and it has a black side. What's gonna happen is you apply the gray side to the top of the concrete. Why? Why, you ask? Well, that big bright thing up in the sky that we call the sun, it's gonna draw down and create heat off of the dark color of the black, send it down through, insulate and kind of insulate and thermalate and, you know, some more M8s, keep it warm and keep the cold elements out. There's this one, which has seamless edges, standalone blankets. These actually work together. They have Velcro all the way around them so you can latch them together. What's gonna happen is you're gonna seam them like that. Oh, but of course, you can't just seam them in length. You can go in width as well. So if you're trying to do something, a small chunk of concrete with maybe a post sticking up through it, you can work around it a lot more easy with these blankets than that, because those are nothing but for flat work. Now they're all stuck together. How do we accommodate the post? We have an X in the center, and then we have a Velcro seam. Insert it around the post, Velcro it back. Now if you're really worried it's gonna get really cold and you're thinking that one's not enough, we didn't make just one, we made several. Easy and painless. Not all fence posts have exposed concrete, but in commercial contracts there are some that do require it. A lot of the time engineers, they won't let you pour your concrete in the middle of the winter if it's gonna have a frozen surface, because they wanna make sure that concrete's gonna get hard and cure without freezing. Also, you can treat this seam right here as your break point for whatever is protruding through that concrete if one blanket does not get it. Two wonderful options as far as concrete blankets for covering concrete during the wintertime. You could go out and you could get some of that compressed, compacted sheet styrofoam that's about yay thick, 1.5 inches or something like that. And you could cut your own squares, cut your holes out and drop them over your posts. The biggest risk you have with those is, one, they're very fragile, they can break. Two, when you haul them from place to place, they're super big and bulky. Whereas these, look how thin they are. I can do whatever I want to these and I'm not gonna hurt them. See? They didn't break. Yeah, those things are perfectly fine. Thanks for watching SWI's channel, where we are Wyoming's Fence and Gate Company, and you have a good dang day. What it's gonna do is it's gonna attract the Hun. It's gonna attract the Hun, and sun come down and go ahead and Go ahead and cure concrete. Keep concrete